Hello viewers, welcome to Bondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shawag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make alternative starting with three-phase motor with level wiring circuit diagram. If you're new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Triple pole MCB circuit breakers, DP MCB circuit breaker, timer, circuit breaker, overload and contactor, fill, connector, neutral connection input to DP MCB, phase connection input to TP MCB circuit breaker, second phase connection input to TP MCB circuit breaker, third phase connection input to TP MCB circuit breaker, another phase connection to another TP MCB circuit breaker, again second phase connection and again third phase connection. Phase connection input to DP MCB circuit breaker. Three phase connection from MCB 1 to connect overload and contactor 1. Output connection from contactor to connect overload. Another output connection from contactor to another contactor. Output connection from another MCB to connect another contactor. Second phase connection output from MCB to connect contactor to. First phase connection output from MCB to connect contactor to. Phase connection from DP MCB to connect timer. Neutral connection from DP MCB to connect timer. Output neutral connection from timer to connect fill. Output connection from contactor to connect timer. Another output connection from contactor to connect overload. Output connection from circuit breaker to connect fill. Output phase connection from circuit breaker to connect magnetic contactor and overload 1. Output connection from circuit breaker to connect contactor and overload 2. Three phase connection output from overload to connect connector 1. Again three phase connection from overload to connect connector 2. Earthing connection input to this circuit. Now this circuit is ready for you. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.